Alright, I'm gonna leave y'all alone. Either that or I'm gonna bring you home and have you with rice and salad. Yaga yo, we're outside again! Yeah, family, how we doing? I'm actually in a really good mood today. I don't know why, oh why. But yeah, man, we're going to take a little circle around the Wyrley Birch side of Birmingham. If you're new to the channel and you like what we do, don't forget to hit the like button, hit the share button, drop a comment, subscribe, and let's do it. So yeah, man, back in the day, the Wyrley Birch used to be one of them areas there where, let's put it this way, yeah, yeah, you know the levels of like racism and stuff. Like round there was mad. Round there was absolutely crazy. I can't even remember back in the day. And they had the nerve, yeah, to, I'm talking back in over 20 years ago, put it that way anyway, probably about 23 years ago. They tried to offer me a yard, like on the Wyrley Birch. And when I say it was one of them yard there, oh my God, it was crazy. It was absolutely crazy. And it's funny because I remember back in the day, we was doing a job for this this brother from Nigeria, yeah, big man still back then, and it was him, his wife, and they just had a baby on it. So imagine we're doing work on this yard now, yeah, some painting and stuff. And I've come out the house and I'm sitting on the drive in the car having a smoke, right? So this little kid next door, he couldn't be no more than about 6 years old. He's looked at me and he's gone, give me some money. And I'm like, you know, as a little joke, oh, you give me some money, little man. And then he's gone, you give me some money. And I'm like, you give me some money. And then he looked at me and he's gone, you give me some money, you black P word. Do you know what I mean? And I looked at him and I'm like, yo. So I've jumped out of the car now because I'm looking to like see what's cracking with his parents and that, innit? You know what I'm saying? But obviously I was ranting and raving and the parents didn't open the door and that, innit? But it was just mad still, like, yeah, that was the temperature, man. And then after that I'm getting an offer to live around here. I was like, no. But obviously it's a new day, it's a new era, and round here has changed now, innit? So from what I'm aware, it's actually a, you know, it's a good mix up, innit? You get me? But at the same time, around here it's a hot little spot in it. It's almost like a little ends in itself, you get me? Weird little spots though. And if I'm correct, I'm sure there was some tower blocks what they get licked down as well back in the day, which have turned into like these new houses and stuff. Again, I haven't been around here for ages still. In fact, the last time I come down here, I think I went to some little children's place or something. Bit round here, a few men have shot videos and that round there. I cannot remember the brother's name. Can't remember. Oh, is it all block up here? Someone definitely done music videos, right now. I can't remember who it was. If I find it, I'll. If I remember, I'll drop it in the comments. Drop the link. Like this is like a whole estate. I'm sure this is one of them places where there's like one way in and one way out ultimately, innit? So man, oh I swear down there's a field down there, I've never seen that before. This is like a place where like if feds was coming for you, they could box it off easy. You know, like that. Any old iron, any old iron. So what's that? Hunting, what's that? Hunting Dun House. Yeah, nothing going on all these places, you know. At night time. Ooh, look at the lakes. I didn't know you could see the lakes from there still. Let's go back around. Right, can I do a whole turn right there? Check the skills, check the skills. Keep that slow, control that rear brake. Yeah. See them slow maneuvers there, sir? You know them right there? Come on, what are you doing, mate? What are you doing? Let's go have a look in there. I didn't know about all of this. No, I need to get on the... Oh, I don't want to pick my... I should never have come on all this dirt, man. Shut up. Oh, good, yeah. Hello. Is she gonna come and get me? Right, so I've never been around here before. I don't know where this leads to or not, but yeah. I don't know if you can see the swan up there, but sounds like a swan or not. You know what? It's actually looks like a place that's not bad for like. It's like if you want to have a little walk or something. You know what I mean? You want to go for a walk, feed the ducks and all that, clear your headspace a bit. You get me? Nice. But I suppose it's only nice at certain times and that, innit? You get me? But let me not be the judge of that because I don't really know. I ain't really been around here at my attack at night recently anyway. You get me? Got a little confession like every scar, just a deeper question. It's quite peaceful to be fair. You know what, this dog's probably thinking, yo, you got food or what, bro? Have a look. No, he's not falling over it, I wonder. They're coming over. Yeah, the scenery is quite nice. It's lovely. Alright, I'll go and leave you on alone. Either that or I'll go and bring you home and have you with rice and salad. Anyway, let's move. You know that dog that was just there, you know if it was like a rot hill or something like that, or a pit, and it was off the lead, you know, so I wouldn't have been stepping off the bike and this and that. See like that there, if that was excited and I wouldn't want it. Right, so that's what's it called again? Witton Lakes, that's it. Yeah, interesting. It's like I'm doing a bit of sightseeing for myself because, as I said, I've never seen that before. Anyway, I'm not gonna go in all of the little groves and I can't be bothered, man. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna come out and then I'm gonna go straight down. I think it's about my breakfast time now, you know. Swear down. What, you lot buying me? I was joking. You know, I'm hungry, guys. What's that? But yeah, family, I just gave you a little look around Wyrley Birch and that, man. I think that's what they call it, Wyrley Birch, or some people call it Erdington. There's another word for it, another name, I can't remember. But yeah, man, don't forget, guys, like, share, comment, subscribe. We out.
Pray for. We all one mistake from the cage out of graveyard, living like a movie, but the credits never roll.